Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Munewer Osman from East Turkestan. All my family members and most operators are detained in a concentration camp in East Turkestan, Turpan City. This my father Osman Saud and my uncle Absatar Saud, detained in a concentration camp 1.5 years ago. This my mother Khairansa Sanyaz and my aunt Habiba Abdul Qadir, detained in a concentration camp since 5 months ago. This my sister Munira Osman and the cousins Muhammad Salih Sattar, Nurali Sattar, detained in a concentration camp March 2018. My cousin's husband, Muhammad Ali Umar, detained in a concentration camp December 2017. I also heard other two cousins, Ahmed Jan Tuniyaz and Muhammad Tuniyaz, detained in a concentration camp in East Turkestan. I have one younger sister and younger brother. I don't know any information about them. I am still a high school student and it affects my psychology a lot. There are over 3 million Uyghur, Kazakh, Kyrgyz Muslims are detained in a concentration camp in East Turkestan just because of their ethnic and religious identity. China doing the big ethnic cleansing in 21st century. I am here to call all human beings to take action and stop the Chinese government's genocide. Thank you.